Everyone asks the same childish question. Why haven't aliens contacted us? As if the universe owes us a conversation, we would already be gone. As if contact would be a gift. Let me tell you a secret. If something in the universe wanted to talk to us, imagine a forest at night. Not a romantic one, a real one, cold, endless, filled with things that hunt by sound. Now imagine standing in that forest and shouting your name. That is what humanity has been doing for over a century, and we're proud of it. We look at the stars and feel lonely, so we assume the universe must feel the same. We beam radio signals into space. We carve messages onto golden discs. We announce our presence like explorers planting flags. Hello, universe. We are here. We are intelligent. We are harmless. That last part is an assumption, and assumptions get species killed. There's a problem buried at the heart of modern astronomy, a problem so uncomfortable that most people prefer to ignore it. The universe is old, incomprehensibly old. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars are older than our sun. Statistically, intelligent life should be common. Civilizations should rise, advance, expand. They should leave scars on the universe. But when we listen, nothing. No signals, no empires, no evidence of anyone who came before us. Just silence. This contradiction has a name, the Fermi Paradox. And silence, in nature, is never meaningless. Silence doesn't mean peace. It means caution. It means something has learned a lesson the hard way. There is a theory that explains this silence. It does not comfort. It does not inspire. It warns. It is called the dark forest theory. Picture the universe as a forest. Every civilization is a hunter moving through the dark. Each one armed, each one terrified, each one aware of two unbreakable truths. First, survival is the primary goal, not morality, not curiosity, not cooperation, survival. Second, resources are finite, matter is limited, energy is limited, expansion has a cost. Now add one more detail. You can never know another civilization's intentions. Never. They might be peaceful today. They might be desperate tomorrow. They might be one technological breakthrough away from becoming unstoppable. Technology doesn't grow linearly. It explodes. A species that can barely reach space today could erase you in 1,000 years, or 100, or 10. So what is the only rational strategy? You don't communicate. You don't reveal yourself. You don't wait. You strike first. Quietly. In the dark forest, morality is a luxury no one can afford. If you detect another civilization, you have three choices. Ignore it and risk it becoming a future threat. Communicate with it and reveal your own location, or eliminate it before it has the chance to see you. Only one option guarantees survival. Predators don't announce themselves. They listen. And when something is foolish enough to make noise, they act. This is why the universe is silent. Not because it's empty, but because those who survived learned to stay quiet. The ones who spoke first are no longer here to tell us what happened. Now let's talk about Earth, because this is where the story stops being theoretical. Humanity didn't whisper. We leaked radio signals into space for decades. Television broadcasts, military radar, communication noise, a glowing technological footprint expanding outward at the speed of light. Then we did something worse. We sent our location. We launched probes carrying maps, coordinates, instructions on how to find us. A cosmic invitation, as if intelligence automatically means kindness, as if evolution rewards mercy. It doesn't. Evolution rewards survival, and survival rewards silence. From a dark forest perspective, Earth is not mysterious. Earth is loud. Earth is reckless. Earth is prey that hasn't learned it's being hunted. People like to believe advanced civilizations are enlightened, peaceful, curious, above violence. That belief comes from fiction. Nature doesn't work that way. Intelligence doesn't erase fear. It sharpens it, and fear, combined with power, produces one outcome: preemptive destruction. Here is the part that keeps astronomers awake at night. What if the reason we haven't been destroyed isn't because no one noticed us? What if it's because distance buys time? Or because whoever is out there is patient? Hunters don't always rush.
Sometimes they observe.
Sometimes they wait for the prey to grow louder, more predictable, more dangerous. Humanity is very predictable. We broadcast our achievements, our weapons, our ambitions. We dream of colonizing the stars without asking who already owns the forest. The dark forest theory doesn't say aliens are evil. It says they don't need to be. They only need to be rational. At a cosmic scale, rational behavior looks like extinction. So when you hear someone say, "Why haven't aliens contacted us?" remember this: in a forest full of armed hunters, the smartest creatures don't ask questions. They don't shout. They don't introduce themselves. They stay silent, because the universe may already know where we are. And silence doesn't mean safety. It means the decision hasn't been made yet. If this made you uncomfortable, good. Stay quiet. Stay curious. And if you want to hear what the universe might be hiding next, subscribe before the forest notices you too.